I'm Shiv Shekhar Shukla, Principal Secretary, Tourism and Culture of Madhya Pradesh. We have been participating in Iffi for last many years, and as we go along, we have seen that Iffi is emerging, and the scope and extent of participation in Iffi of the relevant stakeholders is finding a new meaning and new range. So similarly, MP Tourism Board is also expanding its footprint in Iffi, and we, apart from having a stall here of MP Tourism, we also have a knowledge series session and a producers roundtable and a networking dinner now for the last 2 years.
How was the response?
Response was fabulous. In fact, all the sessions were received very well, and especially the knowledge series session which we had yesterday, we had very good participation, and it was well appreciated. The initiatives of Madhya Pradesh government towards promoting film tourism were received very well, and a lot of traction was observed. And similarly, in the producers roundtable, number of good national and international producers they attended. We shared our vision, our initiative with them, and also sought suggestions from their side. And we also received very good suggestions and feedback. So all in all, Iffi has been very good experience for us.
Okay, since you have said that you have participated from last 2 years, so what's the last year difference compared to this?
So this year, last year was also very good. This year, we found that enthusiasm was even more, and since a number of new initiatives have been added in Iffi this year, so our team has also been benefited by going through various kind of exhibitions here which have been put up when it comes to technology and other things. So all in all, Iffi is evolving every year, and so are we, and we are definitely a permanent sort of partner for Iffi.
This year, what attracted you?
As I said, knowledge series session was very good, and especially the stakeholders who have done work in Madhya Pradesh, the actors, the producers, the directors, they shared their experiences with the filming community who attended in large numbers, and that experience sharing was fabulous, and that automatically promoted Madhya Pradesh tourism without us saying anything. Our own persons who did work over there, once they appreciated Madhya Pradesh government's efforts and hand-holding efforts, it was all, it has gone down very well with the filmmakers.
So in last, what's your message to all of you?
Yes, anyone who comes to Iffi, we would like everyone to come and see our stall here, and also our very good film tourism policy, the set of incentives and the kind of facilitation which we do for the filmmakers. They must come and visit Madhya Pradesh. If they have any upcoming project, I would earnestly request everyone to consider Madhya Pradesh, because not only from locations point of view, we are very rich and we have got a lot of variety and depth, but also from comfort of shooting, ease of shooting, we are one of the best states, and when it comes to financial incentives, we have got the best set of incentives offered. So all in all, Madhya Pradesh is becoming a natural choice for everyone, and we assure all the filmmakers and film community to be there to receive them and to help them to give them that comfort of doing their business in a smooth and seamless manner.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.